Okay, in today's free live trading video, unfortunately we got the camera out just a little too late, and as you can see, we just reached our profit target. We took a long setup coming in right here at 42 on this pullback right here, this retracement of this move, and took a buy market at 42.25. We're filled at 42.50, as you can see right there. And put on two positions, two 10-lot positions, this pad 10.0. And we lowered our first target down to 43.75 just due to this little swing high right here. And as you can see, the market has actually traded through our second target, where it's actually sitting in our second target right now. 43.75 on a limit was our first exit on the first leg of the position. 44.50 was our exit on our second leg of this position. As you can see, it's trading right there. Unfortunately, we did get the camera out a little bit too late, but as you can see, nice little profit of $1,625 for the Dispad 10.0. And we're going to go on to the next trade right there. But as you can see, 44.50 was the limit. Filled it just 6 minutes after the close. So put on the trade at 34. And 6 minutes after the close, nice $1,600 for the disc pad. But we're definitely going to go on to another trade here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and buy this trade right here. Oh, had to get the camera ready. Got a pretty bad fill. Got filled at 41 instead of 40.50. As you can see, we just had this nice little pop-up bar to give us a pretty ugly fill. And as you can see, our first buy was this morning. Had the extreme follow through, quickly made both of our targets on both of our positions, immediately plotted an ET sell signal. The bulls still thought, oh, well, it's just an ET sell signal, we can get past that. No, just wasn't the case. Another ET sell signal solidified that the bears were in control. Having said that, we have gotten some retracement and do expect to at least get back to the level of 43. So we're going to go ahead and hold our limit there at 43 for now on both positions. Would have rather gotten that at 42.50 had we gotten our fill at 40.50, but we had to get the video rolling so you guys could actually see the entry on this trade setup. Yep, 42.50 is definitely going to be, so what we're probably going to have to do is just bring our target down to 42.50 to make sure we get out of it, even though we did get a pretty crappy fill at 40.50. So we'll just go for 6 ticks on this trade, and we'll see how she works out. Actually, we're getting a quick little pop here. So we're already at 41.50. Trying to reclaim this very strong resistance right here. And break above that will be the challenge. But given the dynamics, which we can actually look at here in a second, here we go. As you can see, the dynamics were, we could have taken the short setup, had a nice little double top right there at 45 early this AM. That was our surge. Retest, double top, broke back below. But as you can see, we had some pretty strong green bars. Didn't really expect to fill this gap, but that's exactly what's happened. We filled the gap. So this blue line is a very strong support for the market. We came down to test that 937, and as you can see, we're right back to the green side and have a full, but for this, albeit diverging, bearishness, we do have a full bullish picture. And green right here, green right here, green right here, and green bars and above the trend have already filled the gap. So now that we're getting back above, trying to get back above this low of the early session, which was 41.50, 42.50 might even be stretching it right there. It would have been nice to have gotten in at 40, but as it stands, we got in. We're up about 750 on this trade. Just trying to get a little pop to around 42.50. Actually, we may just bring this down to 42.25. Get a little pop to 42.50. and get out right around there. So there we are. We're hitting off our profit target right now, 42.25, and there we go. So there's our next trade of the day. All out. We are just got our little profit target there. The market could go higher, as we said. We had extreme positive dynamics, but we definitely do need to, this could be an errant move. Might need a little bit more time to get back above the early session resistance. As you can see, we're already starting to reverse a little bit now, but again, only taking the long setups on the market today. Again, we could have taken either one of these short setups, the ET sell signal, either ET sell signal, and gotten the fall through and the gap fill. But again, when you have, we don't like to play against the underlying dynamics of the market, and as you can see, it is a buy setup. So it's probably, unless we have a good setup, that's probably where we're going to leave it at 28.75 for the disc pad 10.0. And I'm glad you got to see both these trades live. Glad you guys got to see that. And we can actually bring up, not that, there we go. We can bring this up. And as you can see, the Diskpad 10.0, this was actually last week's performance. So this was Monday, making $4,000. 33.75 was the gain on Tuesday, 714.09. Had a really bad day on Wednesday, reached our limit. Our loss limit is $5,000. And minus 48.75 on Wednesday, stopped trading. $3,000 gain on Thursday, and a $2,250 gain on Friday. This actually wasn't the close. It was just a half a day on Friday, make a little bit of money, actually on a 10 lot. And that's kind of the way Fridays can be, taking off a little bit early. So there you go, $7,750 was last week. And of course, wrong one right there. There you have 28.75 today for the Diskpad 10.0. So it's over $10,000 in 6 gains. Not bad. As you can see, we're reversing right back down, so it was definitely wise to get out of that position. And like I said, if we have another trade set up, we'll go ahead and take that. And we'll see where we go. All right, we're just going to go ahead and call it quits here, I think, for the day. Made a nice $3,000, $2,000 to $3,000 for the day. 28.75. There could be some more long setups. Definitely some long in there. Also did want to show you guys this for today. As you can see, MFX Lite gained about 5,000. Huge day, 50% last Wednesday. I think it chopped around a little bit, maybe break even the other 2 days. And here we are again on the 20th of July, up $5,345. So another very impressive day for the MFX Lite. A lot of interest in trading the currencies, trading the currency pairs, and the MFX Lite, of course, has led the leaderboard on Strategy Runner's website for almost a year, at least last year. Very aggressive portfolio it is, though. Very aggressive portfolio, and there, of course, is the disc pad, and making $28.75 plus $77.50 last week. So a nice $10,000 gain in about 6 days. So we hope you guys have enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.